hear me? Okay, so now, let me see. I don't know which one works, so I guess I'll just send the system. Sharon, can you hear me? Sharon, can you hear me? Sharon, can you hear me? Okay, if Sharon can hear me, then my microphone. I will try still. Okay. Can you hear me now? Never mind. Okay. So Sharon is going to show you the system. Okay. So here, can you see? This is my instrument. It's called Wu Ming. Means no name. Okay. Yeah. This is the laser spot, and this is the shutter. This is the mirror, and this is another mirror. Okay. Yeah. And now the mirror will direct the laser into a space. I can hear you now. Okay. Okay. So now what do we do? Okay, we show them the stage. Okay, yeah. Okay. So where do I go? Share screen. It doesn't pair with device. Oops. Okay. So show caption, reactions, no chat period. Meeting information. So maybe Charlie, you stop there and tell me what to do. I cannot hear you yet. I find you. Okay.